What's up everybody, Manny from Motomillion here. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your stock ZF steering damper that's found on the Streetfighter V4 base into an Ohlins Black Line kit that we've put together. Please note that this does not fit the V4S model since it has an electronic steering damper that cannot be changed. Let me show you the kit. The kit consists of the Black Line damper, the hardware which we supply, and the bracket which we're going to use to install it on the bike. All you're going to need is a 4mm Allen head, 5mm Allen head, and Loctite. In this case, we're using a medium strength or blue Loctite. First, grab your bracket which we supply for the damper. Make sure these pinch bolts are loose. It's a 4mm Allen head. Just go ahead and make sure that they're loose. Then you're going to grab your damper, insert the bracket, and move on to the bike. Then grab your Ohlins damper and place it over the stock damper. They're the exact same length for the body. Just make sure that the start and the ends are accurately placed. Move your bracket over so this bracket is centered to the bolt which holds the damper body in place. Once you've done this, just snug these pinch bolts. And now we're ready to remove the stock damper. Grab your 5mm Allen head and loosen one side first. Before you take that completely off, make sure you loosen the main bolt which holds the shock body in place. Now you're ready to remove the whole thing. Once you have the bracket onto the shock body, this is what it will look like. What we're going to do is we're going to grab these two spacers that we took off the stock damper, put them on the rod end side of the new damper, and we're going to grab our longer bolt, apply some Loctite, and this longer bolt goes on the side that has the spacers. And then the shorter one, again, apply some Loctite on it. This will go from the top to bottom of the bracket. Now we're ready to install this onto the bike. Now bring your damper over, make sure the spacers don't fall off. You first want to hand tighten these bolts so that you're not cross-threading them. Just start a few threads by hand, that's always a good habit to have. Then you can grab your socket and start tightening the bolts. There you have it, guys. That's how you install the Ohlins Black Line steering damper onto a Streetfighter V4. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, have a great one.